So, new camera setup, new channel, not a new lock. This is one of the doorknobs that came out of the package I got from my friend Jim, and so figured I'd use this for the lock-picking coal miners giveaway for his 100. I believe he's now hit the achievement of 100 subscribers, which is something I'm obviously trying to avoid by changing channels when I've already accumulated about 30. You know, that way I don't have to give stuff away. I'm joking. That's not why. I want to have a specific email address for lock support. So, okay. So, of course, the tricky thing with I did this the other day. Tricky thing with picking a doorknob is that you need, come on, stay on. Now I can't tell if I'm in frame. Let's hope this is in frame. Changed it from, yes. You need this part. Someone please feel free to tell me what that's called in the comment section down below. To be stationary, otherwise it will not turn. Otherwise you can't pick the lock. Here's an example. That example doesn't work, I know, sorry. So it's open, but when I turn the handle, nothing happens. However, when I turn this part, that's how I know it's open. When I lock it, this doesn't move, and neither does this. Hence the reason this needs to be locked in place. Now let's lock the vise in place, at least for 5 minutes this thing will hold. No, can't get a better camera angle for you folks. Sorry. Well, see if I can get a slightly. So let's see if this works. I'm going to need to get some better lighting down here. Or ideally find a different spot that's not right next to the furnace, which either pumps hot air in the winter or now cold air in the summer. I think it's even louder when it's pumping out cold air. Nothing on one. Nothing on two. Nothing on three? Come on, I did pick this the other day. Off camera, of course. And we've got an open. I'm not sure which pins even needed to be moved. Well, certainly do have to go do some work. That's gonna have to be good enough for today, folks. Sorry I couldn't make a better video for you, lockpicking coal miner, but congratulations on the 100 subs. And hope people like this camera setup a little bit better than the, well, previous shaky cam we had going. Okay, everybody, have a good day. Bye.